In this video, I will show you exactly what makes the Thermo Generation 5 Smart Radiator Valve a standout choice for heating your home intelligently. This new version feels incredibly premium with a sleek white finish and an integrated touch control panel. The big news here is Matter support right out of the box, which means it works seamlessly with Apple Home plus Google Home and even Amazon Alexa. Installation is surprisingly simple because you do not have to drain any water or deal with messy plumbing. You just unscrew your old manual valve and pop the Thermo on using the included adapters if needed. Once it is attached, you open the Home app on your smartphone to scan the setup code. Within seconds, you can set precise schedules for every room in your house so your bedroom stays cool at night while your kitchen is warm for breakfast. A favorite feature of mine is the adaptive heating technology, which actually learns the thermal properties of your specific rooms to optimize energy usage. It even detects when a window is open and automatically shuts off the heat to prevent wasting money. Overall, it is a reliable and highly secure way to lower your energy bills while making your living space much more comfortable.